everything about riding a motorcycle is exponentially harder than driving a car. But I think that's what makes it worth it.
I'm still going to put on my rain gear when I get down to the bike and repack my bag so that all the electronics are now on the inside. I put the GoPro accessories in the bag from the ice machine, and I've got the big camera in a garbage bag.
Just stopped for gas in somewhere between Pensacola, actually I guess about 60 miles, 80 miles. Just stopped for gas 80 miles east of Pensacola. It's not raining, so that's good. I'm gonna leave my jacket on for a little bit just because it's still pretty wet out there and it could rain again. And I'm on my way into Jacksonville. About a lot of miles between here and there though. So, we'll see.
Just wrapping up lunch. Went to Momo's Pizza. If you're ever in Tallahassee, you gotta check that out. I've got 181 more miles to Jacksonville. I've got 119 on this tank, so I'll run another 50 or 75 miles and then I'll stop for gas, and that should be it. Made it to Jacksonville. Been on the bike for 122 miles at this point, and I'm ready to stretch my knees. There it is. The Atlantic Ocean, coast to coast.